Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining quadrilaterals. So basically what is quadrilaterals? So quadrilaterals are plane shapes with four sides and four interior angles, and they have names according to the types of shapes that are drawn. So quadrilateral has different types of shapes, and the first one is rectangle. So basically rectangle means it has two parallel lines, meaning first parallel line is this one and second parallel line is this one, and the angles of all interior angle is 90 degrees each. So this will be 90, this will be 90, this will be 90, and this will also be 90 degrees, and the diagonals bisect each other, meaning this line bisects this line bisects this line, and this line bisects this line, and so on, like this. This is quadrilaterals or rectangle. Second type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. So parallelogram, what parallelogram means, it has opposite sides parallel and equal, same as rectangle, but the diagonals bisect each other and opposite angles are equal. So this is a parallelogram, and in this angle which is opposite to this are equal, and this angle which is opposite are equal, and all other properties are same as rectangle, which is this, and this is parallel, this and this is also parallel. This is parallelogram. Third type of quadrilaterals are square. So what square means, all sides are equal, all lines are equal, and all angles are also equal, meaning all sides are equal, all lengths are equal. So this will be 90, 90, 90, 90. This length is same as this length, this line is same length is same as this line length, and this line length is same as this line length. So all lines are equal and also equal in length and parallel to each other. Then third type of quadrilateral is rhombus. So in rhombus all sides are also equal, and the opposite sides are parallel and equal, and the angles are equal, the opposite angles are also equal, same as parallelogram over here which was shown earlier. So this is rhombus, all lengths are equal, just like a square, but it is tilted towards the right. So these are same, and these are parallel to this is parallel to this. Then another type of quadrilateral is trapezium. So what trapezium means, that only two only one line is parallel to each other, and it will be like this line are parallel. That's the only thing about trapezium. So this line are is only parallel. Then the last is kite. So what is the difference or main points regarding kite? So in kite, these lines are equal, and these lines length, this line length and this line length is equal, and but this length and this length is not equal. If it is equal, it will be a square or a rhombus. So this is the main thing about kite. And one pair of opposite line, and also diagonals intersect at 90-degree angle. So diagonal means the lines that connect each point inside from here A to C, example from here till here, and the line from here till down, it intersect perpendicularly, the diagonals from inside, and the diagonals also intersect at 90 degrees. So you can see 90 degrees like this. This is the main summary of properties regarding kite and all the other like trapezium, rectangle, and parallelogram, square, and rhombus. So guys, here are 3 example questions regarding the topic that I have explained earlier. So in this first question is about a parallelogram, and in this we have one angle which is 70 degrees, and the angle opposite to this one is the same. So the angle y will be same, so the angle y will be 70 degrees. Then the second angle, which is angle z and angle x, these both are also same or equal. So what we will do is we will subtract 70 by 180 and we will get the value of x and z. So x is equal to 180 minus 70, which is 110 degrees. So the value of x is 110 degrees, and also the value of z is same as value angle of x. So the angle of z is 110 degrees. Question B, we have a rectangle and over here we have 65. We have to calculate the value of y and value of x. So x and 65 will add up together to become 90, because in rectangle all angles are 90 degree each. So we will calculate the value of x by writing 90 minus 65, that is 25 degrees. Then value of y we will calculate by subtracting 90, because this angle is 90, as in rectangle all angles are same. So we will subtract 90 and value of x, which is 25, from 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 25, which will be 65. So over here we can see that another tip I can give you is, as this is parallel and the angle over here is the same, so this becomes, over here I will show. So over here this is 2 parallel lines, and if a line cuts through and this angle is example 20 degrees, here the interior angle, this interior angle, this and this interior angle will be same, so this will also be 20 degrees. So same will be applied over here. So interior angles are same, so 65 and 65. So the value of y is 65 and value of x is 25 degrees. Part C states that we have to calculate the value of x. So first what we will do is we calculate the angle for this whole object. So we have 3 angles and the third angle is this one. So what we will do is write, here we will write A example. So A is equal to, total angle is 360. So 360 minus 70 minus 80 minus 45, and that is 65. So the angle is 65 degrees. Now if this is 65, so this will also be 65, because here we have these lines stating that this and this line are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. So this angle and this angle is same. So we will write value of x is equal to 180 minus 65 minus 65. That will be 50 degrees. So the value of x is 50 degrees. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.